Hi guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Selo. Please do not forget to subscribe, like, and also share this video. So welcome to a review of Mnakwethu episode 4 season 4, of course, where we meet Mr. Mnakwethu from Mapumulo in Durban, who of course called Mnakwethu because he wanted to take a second wife, you guys. So Mr. Mnakwethu mentioned that he got married to his wife at the tender age of 23, you guys, because he was teased a lot growing up for having a bald head, and that he was told that he looked very old, you guys. And then he eventually met and married his beautiful wife about 23 years ago, uNomvelo Ngcobo. Now, when Mnakwethu asked Hlonisi Piwe how his wife felt about isthembu, he mentioned that his wife is not into that lifestyle and that she fears isthembu. He stated that his wife wants him all to herself, you guys. So Mnakwethu made a pathetic and stupid remark saying that women thinks men are their blankets. Hlonisi said he thinks his wife will agree only if Mnakwethu accompanies him. This man, you guys, also stated that he has been with this other lady since 2019. And apparently she is 21 currently. So basically this girl was a child when they met, and that he groomed her, and he was basically breaking the rule and the law, you guys. This other girl that Mr. Mnakwethu wants to marry is Tandiwe, and she is 21 years currently, and Musa mentioned that she is a child, which she looks like, and I must say it is so sad to see such a young girl choosing to be in this sad situation, you guys. So Mr. Mnakwethu went with Mnakwethu to ask for the first wife's permission to take a second wife, you guys, and I must say hell broke loose when he said he is bringing the other wife to help her, the first wife, which made her feel like she is somehow lacking something, as Mnakwethu also mentioned that. She stated and stood firm that she is not and will not be in a polygamous marriage, and insulted her husband for bringing such a child into his life and marriage, you guys. She asked the side chick why would such a young girl put herself into polygamy. And now that young 21-year-old girl had the nerve to tell Mamkhulu that she will continue being in a relationship rather with this old guy, with or without her permission, because she loves him, you guys. Mamkhulu said to her husband rather that if she is choosing her, then she is leaving her husband for good, and chased the girl away and also chased her husband away, you guys. Now please do engage with me in the comment section below. Subscribe if you have not yet done so. I will surely see you on my next upload. Thanks for watching this video. Bye.